What's going on, y'all? Been a minute. Don't think that I haven't been fishing, because I have. Just haven't really put anything together. It's just been one fish here, one fish there, and just really hasn't been very good material for putting together a video. Therefore, I have not put together a video in 3 weeks. But down here at the pond, I am casting my new Crawdaddy custom cranks. This is a custom crank base. This is his airbrush, hand painted, made in the USA, baby. Giving it some whippage, getting it out there. I'm gonna catch something on it. It looks too good not to. I'm gonna have to. It'll have to be for here. It'll have to be the right fish. Oh, right there's a hit. Yeah, that was the bottom or a hit. I think that might have been bottom. I'm getting excited with this thing because I just know whatever it gets, it's going to be a decent sized fish. It's not going to be one of these little dinky guys. I mean, it could be. Don't get me wrong. Some of these dinky guys in here have really big hearts. But yeah, we're going to work this. And of course, you already know we're going to work some wacky rig. And I have a topwater tied on as well. So, got that river to sea. This thing is bouncing off the bottom. I'm hoping something's going, wow. Waiting for it, man. Wait for it. It's coming. I really need to take this thing out to the lake or something. Or Tanglewood, really. There's big enough fish in there that would probably love to lay their lips on this thing. Or one of the other ones too, which is I might switch up. I might throw another one on today and see if that makes a difference. I've got some different colors. He sent me 6. Really appreciate it. I really do. Whitney Thompson on Facebook. If y'all want to look him up, check him out. Does awesome job. Also has a YouTube channel, which is Crawdaddy Custom Crankbaits. I'll link the description down below. Y'all can go check him out and buy you some lures, guys. Things look amazing. They work like they're supposed to. I mean, I've not had it so far. This one's not acted funny or done anything weird. First set of custom crankbaits for me though, so I can't really judge it against anything. But I mean, it does what a crankbait's supposed to. So far so good. It swims. It's got a nice swim to it. Nice tight wobble. It's probably 2 3/4 inches long, I'd say. I just stole some treble hooks because they didn't come with treble hooks, so I just stole treble hooks off of other crankbaits that I don't use, that I've never caught fish on. Oh, what was that? I just stole the hooks off of them and put them on all the other baits. I'm telling you, it's gonna get hit. It's just a matter of time. It's gonna be a decent fish too. It's the only reason why I haven't changed this one. I really like the colors of it. Oh, we get a little pause action. There we go. Right there's the species we're looking for. Ow! Damn it, Bobby. Would you stop? There we go. Oh man, there we go, guys. First bass. I ain't gonna take a picture of it. Pocket. Where'd my worm go? Well, he came up with it. There he is. Yeah, he ripped him in half. Well, that sucks. Good thing I got more. I don't even know what the screen looks like. I hope y'all can see this. I ain't got nothing to wipe it off with, even if I wanted to. There we go, guys. Fish number 2. Good little belly on him. Heck yeah. Fish number 3, technically. Here we go. Hey, Daddy Baits putting in work. Pick you up when we catch another one. Oh, there we go, guys. Fish number 3, fish number 2 caught. Let's go. Got one. Oh. Wow, what do I have? Oh my goodness. Carp, catfish, I don't know. I hope it's a bass. Oh, that's catfish. Big ass catfish. Oh yeah, I mean big. Oh yeah. No, carp. Is that carp? Whatever it is huge. Catfish. Oh, Is that a catfish? That looks like a catfish. I don't know, I think it might be a carp. He's over here on the bank. Oh yeah. That's catfish. Y'all, we have caught a big catfish, I do believe. Look at my rod. Look at the bend. Oh yeah. Wow. Wow. He just, I mean, he demolished this thing. Crankbait, baby. Oh, hold on, I'll drop my phone. This is them custom painted crankbaits. Let's go. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Oh my God. All right, I'll get back to you in a minute. I don't want to lose this fish, whatever it is. Look at that. I don't know what that is. Is that a carp? Oh, that's a carp. Huge carp. I want him to come off. I don't want to lose my bait. Huge carp. Wow, guys. He's hooked good. He ain't coming off. Oh! Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my God. He about took my rod. Oh. Look, my guy, you're gonna have to come out of here one way or another. Yeah. Give me a Moby Dick run head start and jump on this bank. No. Damn. There he goes. Oh my God. Wow. Well, that sucks we don't get no weight on him. And I'm dirty as hell. A little out of breath. Wow. I would have never in a million years thought there was a carp in here that big. Bent out my hooks. Oh, dang. Look, he got ants all over me. I hope y'all seen all that. I would have grabbed him, but I ain't putting my hand nowhere near them treble hooks like that with that big of a fish. Whew. Call me what you want, whatever. Ain't happening, Jack. Man, I hope that motherfucker's as tired as I am. Oh, got my leg ate up by some ants. Man, that was wild. All right, let's see if we can't catch a bass. I know I don't want to be in that damn sun. I think I got ants in my pants. Like literally. Look at this guy's topwater bite. Big. Look at that. Look at that. Damn. Baby. Wish I would have had the camera on me, but I was just getting ready to leave. Zero, zero. I'm gonna say it's probably like 3.5, 4.